In this quick video guide, I want to show you how you can open up the assistant, the Google Assistant, using your voice and not just the app. So the first way you can activate your Google Assistant is to go and use the app. So right now you can see these are all the apps that I have installed in my smartphone. I'm gonna go here to search. I'm gonna type assistant, and there you go. This is the Google Assistant. So if I click here, it's gonna open up the assistant, and I'm going to talk here, and it's gonna record everything I'm saying. Right now it's in Italian, but it's gonna work in your language. So I'm just gonna exit this now. So this is the way you can use it manually. But what if you want to use your voice? So for example, I can say, "Okay, Google," and it's gonna open up. But right now it's not opening because I need to activate it. So what I'm gonna do is go into the settings of my smartphone. So you can see here, I have it right here. It's usually a little engine icon. And from here, I'm gonna look for Google. So let's search for Google with the search bar, or else you can, let me show you here. Just scroll all the way down until you find Google. There it is. So you click there on Google right here, and let's open it up. So you can see right now I am in the Google settings, and if I go a little bit down, you can see I have settings for Google Apps. And I'm gonna tap there with my finger. Okay, so I have connected apps, Google Contacts, Google Feed, Google Play, and if you go all the way down, you have Search, Assistant, and Voice. And this is the one that we're gonna go to. There you go. We have other settings, and here what we need is to go in the Google Assistant. So if I click there or tap, now here we have all the settings for the assistants. For example, I also have languages because every assistant has its own. So right here, the most important is this one here, which is the A Google and voice match. So this is how you can open up and use the assistant without using your hands, without using your fingers on your smartphone screen. So it's just a vocal command. So if I go there, click there you go. I just need to switch this on. You can see now it's off. So this is gonna uh, let you access your assistant anytime that you say, "Hey Google," or "Okay Google," even if your screen is off or you're using your favorite apps. So I'm just gonna turn it on, and there you go. So let's, okay, you can also see that you can also restrain the access to the assistant only with your voice. So you can set it up right here. Okay, and now we're ready. So if I say, "Hey Google," it's gonna open up, or "Okay Google." So let me just go back and just show you here. Also, you have language, and right now I have Italian because I am Italian, but I can set up another one, English, so that it's gonna recognize me. So I'm gonna use English United States. Okay, let's just go to the home page here, and there you go. Let's try it. So, "Okay Google," "Hey Google," there you go. So you can see now it's just opened up and is trying to figure out what I'm saying, and you can see there is a recording actually what I'm saying, and is showing it on the screen, but is not understanding what I'm asking. So let's try with something really simple. So I'm gonna say, "Okay Google," and it doesn't open up. So let's try with, "Hey Google, open up YouTube." Let me try again. So, "Hey Google, open up YouTube." There you go. So you can see that it's just understand what I'm saying, and it opened up here the YouTube application. And I can do that with any other app, or I can also call someone, or you have a lot of other commands, other functions that you can use. You can check them out on the web and on other websites if you are interested. So this will be all for this video guide. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please subscribe to the channel, and check our other video courses and video guides about smartphone apps and other software. And if you want to thank us, if you want to give us your support, you can join the channel as a supporter. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video guide.